Alright, so Sony is trying to kill Netflix, and I know it sounds a little bit of exaggeration, but if you guys don't know what's happening, let me tell you right now. So Sony recently announced its own streaming service for the PlayStation users, and it is called Sony Pictures Core. So Sony has joined the streaming industry by introducing Sony Pictures Core, a new platform available for PlayStation users, and it was previously known as the Sony Bravia Core for the TVs. But this streaming app has now been rebranded to Sony Pictures Core and will be accessible on both PS4 and PS5 consoles. And Sony Picture Core offers a library of 2,000 movies, including the recent hits just like Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. No, not the Spider-Verse, I think it's Across the Spider-Verse, No Hard Feelings, and Uncharted movie. And I think it's kind of weird. It's not gonna beat Netflix in any way, because there's Netflix and chill, but there's no Sony Pictures Core and chill. That's even a big name, and no one would want that. Imagine you calling someone, "Hey, do you want a Sony Pictures Core and chill?" They'll be like, "What the hell is going on?" Like, I don't think so that's even gonna be a thing. So anyway, it is important to note that Sony Picture Core is not a monthly based subscription streaming service like Netflix. So instead, it operates as a video on demand shopfront. So basically you can rent movies, and if you rent a movie or buy a movie, let's say you rent it, it'll be available to watch for 30 days, and the prices are going to be different for all the movies. And there is one good thing though. PlayStation players subscribe to PlayStation Plus Deluxe will have access to a small amount of movies from that catalog. So there's not going to be a whole bunch of movies, but some of the movies are going to be for free for the PlayStation Plus Deluxe users. And if you want to know how to access this, it's actually pretty simple. Okay, my cat just jumped into the keyboard. Always I'm recording. Every time when I'm recording. What do you want? Go away. So what I was saying is, if you want to access to this PlayStation Pictures Sony Pictures Core app, you have to go to the media section of your console. As you can see right now, I'm showing you. So you can download it from there, and if you're a PlayStation Plus Deluxe user, you can even try it, and you can sign up for completely free. So yeah, it's not gonna be Sony killing Netflix, but it is gonna be a big competition. Why did I even say competitor? So that's it for this video. If you want to try it, you can try it right now, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.